enjoy a challenge, doing a variety of tasks, or fixing things when there is a problem, then heating, ventilation, and air conditioning, also known as HVAC, may be the program for you. Students in the program learn to work in residential homes to install equipment, ductwork, equipment servicing, and maintenance. Students will learn ductwork layout, design, and to fabricate sheet metal. Additionally, students learn to work in commercial buildings and on job sites to service and install HVAC systems. HVAC students have the opportunity to earn their NCCER, HVAC Level 1 and 2, OSHA, EPA, and gas tight certifications in the program.